Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vercel deployment for a no-code app front-end easy to start. Open your web browser and go to the Vercel website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the New Project button to begin. Vercel will prompt you to import a project from a Git repository. Select the connected Git provider that you use. Find the repository for your no-code app front-end and click on it. After selecting the repository, Vercel will analyze your project settings. This may take a moment as Vercel configures your build settings automatically. Once the analysis is complete, you will see a configuration page. Here, you can specify your project's name if you want to customize it. Next, review the framework preset that Vercel has detected. Ensure it matches the technology stack used in your no-code app. If everything looks good, click the Deploy button to continue. Vercel will now start the deployment process. You'll see build logs in real time as the process unfolds. Once the deployment is successful, you will be taken to the project overview page. Here, you will find the live URL of your deployed app. You can share this URL or test your application directly. If you need to make changes, edit your code in the Git repository. Vercel will automatically deploy updates whenever you push changes. This streamlines your workflow, allowing for easy management. To add custom domains, navigate to the domain settings in your project dashboard. Follow the prompts to connect your custom domain if desired. Congratulations, your no-code app front-end is now live and deployed on Vercel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.